Nobody taught you this. Not school, not your parents, not your job. And that silence is costing you everything. Right now, millions of Americans are doing money completely wrong. Not because they're stupid, because nobody ever showed them the system. I was one of them. Zero savings, zero plan, just hoping it would somehow work out. It didn't, until I decoded it myself. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact money system I built from zero. Step by step, no fluff. Just what works. This isn't theory, it's not a finance textbook, it's the system. That changed everything, and you can start it today. So if you've ever felt behind with money, stay with me, because by the end of this, you'll know exactly where to start. Here's the brutal truth. Most people have no idea where their money actually goes. They earn it, spend it, and wonder why nothing's left. School taught you history, algebra, literature, but how to budget, how to save, how to build wealth, nothing. Complete silence. So you copy what you see around you, spend when you have it, stress when you don't, and the cycle just keeps going. The average American spends $1,497 more than they earn every single year. Every year. That's not bad luck. That's a missing system. And the worst part? Most people think they just need to earn more. But I've seen people making $100,000, still broke, still stressed. More money without a system is just more chaos. The problem was never your income. It was always the missing blueprint. I know because I lived it. Every paycheck gone in 2 weeks. Every month starting over. Until I stopped guessing and built the system. The system has 4 steps. Simple, proven, and anyone can start today, regardless of income, regardless of debt. Here's step 1. Track every dollar for 30 days. Not to judge yourself, just to see. Because you can't fix what you can't see. Just look. Most people are shocked. Subscriptions they forgot, food waste, small buys adding up to hundreds. The numbers don't lie. Yours won't either. Most people are shocked. Subscriptions they forgot, food waste, small buys adding up to hundreds. The numbers don't lie, yours won't either. Needs first, rent, food, utilities, transport. If this is eating more than 50%, something has to change, and we'll get to that. Wants are real. Coffee, Netflix, dinners out, 30% is yours guilt-free, but once it's gone, it's gone. That boundary changes everything. 20% savings, non-negotiable. This is the number that builds your future. Not someday, every single paycheck. Step 3, build your first $1,000, not $10,000, not $50,000, just $1,000. That one number is your foundation. $1,000 means a car repair doesn't destroy you. A medical bill doesn't spiral you. It's not wealth, it's just breathing room. At $25 a week, you're there in 10 months. At $50, 5 months. Consistency matters more than amount. Just start. Step 4, automate everything. Savings transferred automatically on payday. Before you see it, before you spend it, gone, safe. This is the secret every high earner uses. Not willpower, not discipline, just a system that works while you sleep. When money moves automatically, you stop fighting yourself. The decision is already made, and that mental freedom changes everything. Now, here's what nobody tells you about this system. It doesn't just fix your finances, it fixes your relationship with money permanently. Financial stress is the #1 cause of anxiety in America. One system, 4 steps, and that weight starts lifting. I know $25 feels small. I know $1,000 feels far, but here's what I know for certain. Zero will always feel further. The people winning with money aren't smarter than you. They just started with a system, exactly like this one. So here's your action plan, 4 steps. Do them this week, not next month, not someday, this week. Step 1, open your bank app tonight. Look at last month's spending. Just look, no judgment, just the truth. Step 2, write your 50/30/20 numbers. Income times 0.5 times 0.3 times 0.2. 3 numbers, 10 minutes, done. Step 3, open a separate savings account. Marcus, Ally, SoFi, free online, 10 minutes. Name it, first $1,000. Step 4, set up $25 automatic weekly transfer right now. Before this video ends, pause, do it, come back. That's the whole system. Track it, split it, save $1,000, you automate it. 4 steps that nobody taught you until now. You don't need more money, you need a better system. And now you have one. What you do with it is up to you. Tell me in the comments, where are you starting from? Zero savings? Some saved? Already on the system? I read everyone, and if this hit you, hit like. It tells YouTube this is worth sharing. Someone in your life needs this system. I'm breaking down exactly how credit scores work and how to fix yours fast. Subscribe so you don't miss it. See you there.